One Volkswagen mechanic back with another video on how to fix things in your Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a fuse. And today, in this case, it's going to be the one for the charging outlets, like you charge your phone and whatever in the car, because recently the fuse broke. So there will be two fuse boxes in your car, and one will be under the hood of the engine, which I'm not going to show you that because that's where the big engine fuses are kept. And I wouldn't advise touching that unless something big went out, and even then, unless you know a lot about it, I'd just take it to your mechanic. But the main one you're going to want to look at is the one we're going to look at right now, and that's under the dash here. And as you can see, there's little micro fuses on the very left, then the medium fuses, and then up above they have even bigger ones, which, like I said, don't touch the bigger ones unless something big goes out, and even then, unless you know a lot, don't touch them. So anyway, the difference between a burnt fuse and a good fuse is that I don't have the burnt fuse anymore, but this good fuse, you can see, sort of, that it has a little metal. This camera's kind of blurry, but you can see it has a little metal circuit inside of there, and with a burnt one, that would be broken. And when you buy new fuses, don't worry about getting a certain brand. Just make sure that it's the same color, in this case yellow, and the same number, which in this case is 20 amp. And so you want to go in and pop it into the correct spot, which in this case, it's right to the left of the green one. And as you can see, it's in there to the left of the green. And I know they do give you fuse pliers to remove and put in fuses, but they've never really worked for me for some reason, so I didn't use them in the video. But another word of wisdom on replacing fuses is when you're pulling fuses to see which one is bad, only pull one at a time and then put it back once you make sure it's good. Because if you pull more than one at a time, you might mix it up and that might not be good. And also, if you find that one is bad and you don't have a replacement fuse on hand right then, make sure to leave the bad fuse in until you get a replacement fuse, because otherwise you might forget where it was, or the contacts might rust, and that's not good. So anyway, let's try and make sure the outlets are working now. So if we just turn on the ignition and go down here to the outlets, the GPS is plugged in. And as you can see, the little green charging light is on, and the GPS is turned on. So we know those outlets are working. Stop that annoying chime. And then now I'm going to show you how to close the fuse box. So when the fuse cover is in, it actually goes in like that. There's a little panel under there. You might think it actually slides out like that. That's actually what I thought at first. But that's actually not what it is. It actually, the top goes in like that, and then the bottom just clips in. So when you're pulling it, just pull straight out like that. Don't slide it. So anyway, put the cover back on. And that's it, guys. It's a pretty simple procedure once you find which fuse is out, and make sure you have the right replacement. But I hope this video has been helpful to you, and don't forget to smack that like button, and don't forget also to hit the red subscribe button down below. And once you've hit that, hit the bell icon there and click all notifications so you get notifications on my newest videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.